Happy Monday, first grade friends. Mrs. Sala and I have added a new section to our webpage. Up on the top right-hand side, you will see a video section. If you click on that link, it will bring you to videos that Mrs. Sala and I have made on Mondays and Thursdays, and also a link to some science videos. Last week, Mrs. Sala posted a video describing an experiment you could try at home with seeds. It's a bean seed that you germinate in a bag. Take a look at the video and see if it's something that you would like to try. If you'd like to try the experiment at home, send Mrs. Sala and I an email or connect with us during our office hours. We'll mail you the seeds and the directions so you can watch the life cycle of the seed and the bean plant at home. Today, a new video has been added to the science section. While I was working up north from my cabin, I saw some deer eating in our yard, and I was able to take a video to share with you. These are white-tailed deer, and I'm wondering if you could find out some facts about the deer after watching the video. These deer are always looking for predators. When you watch the video, you'll notice that they're always putting their head up and looking around. See if you can find out the predators that deer are looking for. They're also very fast runners. That's one way that they stay safe. See if you can find out how high a deer can jump and how far it can jump as well. And lastly, see if you can find out what predators they run from. They also have some really strong senses. See what you can find out on their senses and which sense is their strongest. I'd love for you to share your answers with me and with Mrs. Sala during our office hours or in an email. I have another book recommendation for you this week as well. If you go to Tumble Books and you click on the non-fiction tab at the top of the page, there is a link to a book called Animals in Camouflage. Now, camouflage is something deer do to protect themselves and to stay safe from predators, but there's a lot of other animals listed in this book as well, and you'll learn about other animals that camouflage themselves. Finally, I know that Miss Sala and I have been trying to do a fitness challenge with you when we share our videos, and I noticed on Mr. Taylor's webpage that he has been doing a sit-up challenge and listing how many sit-ups he's able to do. Why don't you challenge yourself and see how many sit-ups you can do and compare it to what Mr. Taylor has under his sit-up data on his webpage as well. And finally, there's always a joke that we like to share or a riddle. And I know last week Mrs. Sala had a riddle for you that was pretty tricky. Her riddle was this: can you think of something that you can hear but not see or touch, even though you control it? Were you able to find out the answer? Did you ask a family member? Were you thinking the answer was your voice? If so, you are correct. You can hear but not see or touch your voice, but you can control it. Here is your Monday riddle, and it has to do with deer. And my riddle is, what kind of deer costs $1? Think about it, and if you do a little research, there's a couple links you can click on by the deer video. I bet you can find the answer. And again, I look forward to hearing from you during office hours or through email. And we look forward to chatting with you this week. Stay safe, first graders. We miss you. Bye.